I mean, if you do the math, like if it's all a matter of where you are individually, but if you have money and you have a skill and you know how to build an account already, I mean, putting that 2,000, like you've mentioned before, and putting it into your account and just steadily growing it, even with micros, you can do that quite a bit. Because at the end of the day, I think some people lose track that if you pass these evaluations, and then even secondly, if you actually even get a payout, you are very elite as far as a trader. Because if you look at that, you pass the evaluation, that's you've already increased your account by 100%, which a lot of like top traders, Wall Street traders would love to do that in a certain amount of time. We're talking about people are doing this in a month's time, right? And then if you get a payout, that means that you've doubled it again. In most cases, because usually you have to get above your threshold, so that's 200% gain. So imagine doing 200% gain on your regular account. Your 2,000 would have already been at 6,000.
Actually, I'm so glad you brought up percentages, you guys. Like, this is something I got a bone to pick, and I want to talk about it. I really want to. There's 23 of us hanging out, so let's hang out. I don't know why when it comes, and this is as we're building automation, working tirelessly for the future side, I'm hoping people start to just target that 0.25, 0.5% a day. If you look at hedge funds, if you look at the prop firm requirements, prop firms require what? They require you to have a 1% or a 2%, or 5% profit target. And that's over the span of a month, by the way, guys, to get the payout or to get the approval or something, right? We see that as the target in a month, but we're trying to do that manually and or automatically in a day. We want 2% a day. We want 5% a day. Not to say there's not some days for it, right? There definitely are going to be days that present that kind of opportunity where you just held right, you entered perfect, and you were rewarded for every aspect. That day does happen on occasion. But I still think those base hits, those $200-300 days, you got to think your drawdown's only $2,500, so $300 is 10%, okay, on what your actual capital is that you're growing with. That's very good, guys. That's not bad at all. We look at it like it's not enough, or it's going to take too long to get a payout or to make this worth it. That's foolish. And as we release automation and as we talk about Dragonfly, if I can help you make 5-10% a month, hands-free, pretty much stress-free. Okay, when you try to push and push and push, the stress comes in, guys. I don't want stress. And there was a lady in the chat who was like, nope, I'm setting it here because I just want stress-free. And I was like, I love you. It's 100% it. Because a lot of us, I know some of these prop firms have one-day passes. Funding Ticks does also. It's cost more, but it's there. And their rules are harder. But honestly, we don't need that. No one needs that. You don't need to pass in a day. Besides, passing in a day is not going to help you get paid. It's just going to help you create the bad habits and help you not get paid. Please consider if your budget is, if our drawdown on that account is $2,500, okay? Even if you were getting 5%, that's only $125, okay? If you got, what is that, 2,500, that's times 20%, okay? That's still only $500 a day. That's a 20% gain on your, actual capital that you're working with. 20%, $500 days. And I know we can technically go throw some minis on it and make our 2,500 or 3,000 in the day, whatever. But it's not a good idea because long term, you have to make this for the consistency rules and all the other aspects that come into this. So what's the point? Like, just practice maintaining the account for a period of time versus trying to do it in a day or get more. Same thing with Dragonfly, same thing as we get ready to launch the automation. If I can hands-free get you $125 a day times 4 days, okay? Well, here, let me be more fair. 150 times, I'm going to say 3 days, okay? Times 4.3 weeks times 3 accounts, okay? That's $5,000 a month, stress-free, not a lot of risk of blowing. The expense to make that happen is, let's just say you were using Take Profit Trader, it's $300. If you're using these Funding Ticks things, it's $150. That's not bad. That means you're making $300,000 not working, not doing anything for it. You have to check it for a few minutes a day or something. That's incredible. And that's what I want people to kind of get to the point of. Obviously, you can make more. Maybe it's $250. And I did the times 3 because I'm assuming you lost one day and that other day kind of, ate up that loss. 250 times only 3. Why? Because assuming you lost one day and the other day made it up, right? So it's 5 days a week. Times 4 weeks in a month times 3 accounts. It's $9,000. That's only $250 a day to kind of give you an idea. That's almost 10 grand a month. After fees and stuff, you're probably going to walk with 7 or 650 or something, but That's what I'm hoping, because the percentages things, y'all are doing too much. I'm doing too much. I'm guilty too. And it's very hard. I went back through some of my OneNotes and I was like, see, $20,000, $50,000, $100,000 a day. And now I'm looking at like $5,000, $7,000. I'm like, yeah, but I'm being responsible. So I get it. It's hard.